Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can add payment methods on Fiverr, and it will be a complete updated video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, we are already landed in our Fiverr platform, and this is the dashboard as the seller I have. So here, if I want to integrate any payment methods, how I can do it. So here you just need to click over here, and here you just need to go to the earning, like underneath the business you will find out this earning options. Once you click over here, then here you can add payout methods. Just click over here, and here you can see we have three options like a bank transfer, PayPal account, and Pioneer account. So you can choose on these three options if you have account. So if you have a bank transfer, you can go with this one. If you have PayPal, then you can go with this one. And if you have payment, then easily you can go this one. When you select this one, you just need to click onto the continue, and then here you will get the options to add your payment method. Let's go and let's try this out. So we don't have any dollar here, that's why we are not allowed. Like when you earn some dollar like $5 to $15, you will get enable this option to add your payment method in here. So I hope you understand how easy the process was to add any payout method in your Fiverr without any hesitation. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was informative, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.